it is Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be making my own garlic polish. I think that's what they call it here on the internet. It's been floating around the internet forever. It's where you take base coat and then you cut up garlic and then you put it on the base coat. And then you paint it on your nails and it's apparently really healthy for your nails. I wanted to try this method because I love taking garlic and just rubbing the garlic on my nail bed. I can't imagine putting it in base coat and painting it on. So in this video, we're going to do just that. We're going to take base coat and garlic and put them together. So let's get started.
First thing we're going to need is some kind of clear polish. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some LA Colors base coat. And also we're going to need, of course, our garlic. So I'm going to take 1 clove of garlic and I'm just going to peel it till I get to the center of the garlic. Alright, we've made it to the center of the garlic. Doesn't garlic look like just like an onion? It must be like in the onion family. Alright, now I'm going to take my knife and just cut the garlic clove in half because I don't think I'm going to need a whole garlic clove. I'm just going to use half of a garlic clove. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that into pieces. Now I am no kind of like chef that knows exactly how to cut things, so I just went ahead and tried my best to cut it into tiny pieces, but I want the tiny pieces still be able to, like, to pick them up with a tweezer, you know, because I gotta pick it up with them up with a tweezer. Okay, let's grab our base coat because our garlic is all cut and ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the brush because we don't need it right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tweezers, and like I said, I'm gonna pick them up and just place them in there. I wanted to cut the garlic small, but I wanted to make sure I could pick it up, you know, hold it with the tweezers so they're not just tiny. So they're pretty small, but not super small. I gotta say, it was a fun experience cutting up a garlic clove and sticking it in base coat. I gotta say, it was fun. So all I did was place the base coat in there with my tweezers, and if it didn't want to go in there, I just kind of pushed it down. And now after I put half of the garlic clove in the base coat, I'm gonna put the top on, and I gotta say, look at them, they're in there. It's so funny and weird at the same time because I've never seen or done something like this, but yeah, it's in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just roll it because I kind of wanted to shake it up in there, you know, get the base coat and garlic together. I don't know, I just shook it up. And here is what it looks like. Now, they say to leave it for exactly 10 days, and then you can start using it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this base coat on my shelf and leave it there for 10 days. Alrighty, this is what it looks like after 2 weeks. Yes, I forgot about it. So it's been sitting on my shelf for 2 weeks. It basically doesn't really look any different, so let's go ahead and apply it to our nails. I didn't really notice a difference in the bottle. Maybe the base coat was a little more yellow, but basically the same thing. So now that I'm applying it on my nails, I don't really see anything different. It just looks like a normal base coat, but I did notice that it smelled like garlic. I mean, yeah, no, that's pretty normal, it just smelled like garlic. So I went ahead and just applied this to all of my nails. Even though we put garlic in this base coat, I don't think it affected the base coat at all. It's still the exact same consistency. Alright, after we've painted our nails with the garlic base coat, I'm going to go ahead and let it dry. Now my nails do look a lot more shinier, but then base coat always kind of makes your nails look shiny. But I don't know, I guess I'll just have to keep using this base coat and see what happens.
Alright, I've been using my garlic base coat for a week now, and I gotta say, the only thing I kind of had to get used to was the fact that it smelled like base coat and garlic together. Just smelled like kind of weird. But now that I've used it for a week, I've gotten used to the smell. Even though I've only used this base coat for a week, I can tell overall my nails are a little stronger. So I'm gonna keep using it and see if my nails get better and better, and if I really enjoy wearing this as a base coat. So I'll keep you updated on that, but as for right now, I recommend it. I think it's good. You just gotta kind of get over the smell of garlic and base coat. But there's one thing that I'm a little confused about these. Does the garlic ever rot in the base coat, or just it just never rots? It's in there so it doesn't rot because it's in the base coat. I don't know. We're gonna have to do an update on this and see if it ever rots in there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value out of it. And if you want to give this base coat with garlic in it or top coat with garlic in it a try, please let me know down in the comment section down below. Give this video a like if you liked it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday.